Hi friends, welcome back. Now we got one side white and next first and second layers same color, and then the other side is opposite to white is yellow color. You got it. Now the thing is last phase we come. So here your orange is there, here blue is there, here red is there. This you have to shift it. Okay, to shift it, so then any one side you take it and you do like this. Okay, see this one, see this, up, okay, left, down, right, okay, and then left side, up, left, down, right, and come to right side and do this 5 times. Up, left, down, right, one time, up, left, down, right, 2 times, up, left, down, right, 3 times, up, left, down, right, 4 times, up, left, down, right, 5 times. Now this time, this side, up, left, down, right, one time, up, left, down, right, 2 times, up, left, down, right, 3 times, up, left, down, right, 4 times, up, left, down, right, 5 times. Okay, now you got to see the same yellow. So here white down, so blue came, but here orange is there, here green is there, here orange is there, here red is there. This you have to set it the same blue side, which is solid side, you keep it and to your side and do the same thing first. Up, left, down, right, one time, and then left side one time do it. Up, left, down, right. Now come to this right side and do 5 times. Up, left, down, right, one time. Up, left, down, right, 2 times. Up, left, down, right, 3 times. Up, left, down, right, 4 times. Up, left, down, right, 5 times. Come to this left hand side also. Up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. Okay, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, over 5 times around. See, solid. Asana. Thank you. If you want to get clarification, watch the videos again and again, all the parts. Sure, you can get it. Thank you.